Come stay a night with us at Sandy Cape, Jurien Bay. First off, we start by going past the information bay, which had the map, and then as we went towards the campsite, we turned right as we went towards campsite 89, which we were staying in for the night. As we got there a little bit later, we started setting up camp right away, and then went right down to the beach to go watch the sunset as it happened. We went for a swim in the ocean and got some really beautiful videos of the sunset, as well as standing on top of the dunes looking over the entire campsite. I also managed to get this beautiful video of this couple fishing right at sunset, and that's day one all wrapped up.